I'm Wendy with Natural Restoration, and today I'm going to show you how to put a bottom in a drawer that does not have one. I bought a great dresser for 20 bucks off Craigslist. This is the drawer, totally missing the bottom. This can be kind of a scary thing when you first see it if you haven't done it, but in reality, it's actually pretty easy. I bought this wood in this size. This is 2x4 wood. It looks like it's maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch thick. But what you want to do before you buy the wood, get your drawer, get a measurement for how much space you have to fit the replacement bottom in. This one is actually a 1/4 inch, so that's probably a 1/4 inch board. So I have a 1/4 inch wide that I can fit in here. You can, this is wood, but there are actually things that are not wood you could use instead of wood. You can use particle board. There's probably some different plastic pieces and trim pieces from Lowe's you could get. You just got to kind of shop around, look in the aisles, and find the best price or what you think will work. I was $8, real wood, so I went with that. So here's what you do. The distance that this piece of wood will slide in right here is how much you are going to add to your measurements. We're going to trace this, and we're going to add this amount all the way around so that it fits in the slot. So I'm going to trace this, and I'm going to add about a 1/4 inch to my measurements all the way around so that it has room to slide in here. So you have enough board to fit in this. So in doing so, I'm going to save myself one entire cut because the back of the board will come up to the back of the drawer, so that will save me from having to make one cut. Now I'm down to only having to make 3 cuts. We're going to do, we know we need a 1/4 inch to go in the slot. So I'm going to measure a 1/4 inch here. This will save me the second cut. If I can draw it right. So I'm going to place the drawer. This edge right here is going to go just over that line. So I have now I only have to cut 2 places with the saw. So that is lined up there. And I'm going to take and trace inside the rest of this. So there is my outline of the drawer. Now I need a 1/4 inch on these 2 sides as well as this. So I'm going to take a ruler. I'm going to measure off, mark a 1/4 inch kind of all the way around it. Okay, obviously this is not a straight line, so I can't get a ruler to follow this. But what I can do is follow the lines like this. Then I want to add a 1/4 inch on this side. So here's what I have. It's my outline of the drawer. I have added a 1/4 inch on these 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and I have taken the drawer and measured how much space I need here. So when I cut, I will only have to cut that line and that line. It's 2 cuts. The last thing you're going to want to do is take the drawer back apart again. Hopefully to keep from having to replace this drawer again, I'm going to glue the wood in place. We hope. Put wood glue cracks all the way around. Probably have this too heavy in some spots, but when you put the piece of wood back, you're going to wipe it away. The inside. So to hold this in place, I'm just going to use painter's tape. This edge right here, it's got nothing really holding it together. I'm going to run a bead of glue down it as well. I'm going to tape that too. Run a bead on the inside, lightly. It's all about never having this come back apart again. So again, just treat it like it's caulking. Run your finger along the bead and smooths it out and gets it down in the crack. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. It'll be awesome. Thanks for watching. Check back soon for more videos.